Alright, so today I'm going to show you how you can mint your own NFT on Solana. There's a couple of ways you can do this, but a really easy way to do it is on Solana, just like when I minted my collection in an earlier video. First up, you need a Phantom wallet. You can search up Phantom wallet, Phantom app, download, and you can connect it to Chrome. I'm actually going to disconnect my wallet and connect again. There we go. When you first connect, you're gonna have to approve some stuff. It doesn't cost any fees. But now you want to create your NFT, and it's really easy to do actually. You just need to upload the preview of the photo right here and an artwork file. And sometimes you maybe want to upload an animated preview of your NFT. I usually only upload this and this, and that's about it. It's just the same photo I upload. Then you add the title. You can change this after. Short description. This is stored on the blockchain. Description. This is stored on Solana, and also it's attached to the NFT's metadata as it says right there. Then you need to add your realities. Maybe if you have an artwork page, I normally just skip this. Tags, just add in some tags. License, I normally don't touch this. You don't have to. Collection, add it to one of the collections if you want to. Yeah, you don't even need to have a collection to upload it right here. And then the trades to NFT. And this gets stored on the blockchain. The Solscan, or there's other ones I can't remember. And then you just hit mint NFT, and you'll have to approve some transactions. There's 2 transactions that you need to approve, and it costs like 0.02 Solana to mint the NFT. It's not that much, at least like last time I did it. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.